How's everybody doing today? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be talking about if a huge recession is coming and my thoughts on the current state of the stock market and the economy in general. Today has been a crazy day for the market. I believe this is the highest it's ever plummeted, with the Dow plummeting over 7% in one day, over a 2,000 day. It's the worst day since 1991 for the oil prices. It hasn't been this bad since, I believe, the Cold War. Don't quote me on that, but I think it was the Cold War from 1991 anyway. So it's been pretty bad, that's for sure. Basically, this is the worst time something can happen with all the corona situation going on right now. So seeing that the oil is now taking a huge dump because of some price wars with the Saudis. Basically, they've been trying to negotiate. They're just fighting on the on oil prices. So they're basically doing it at the war's time. So I guess in theory you should be seeing gas prices go down soon, or if not already. But that means that basically the oil prices will go down, which means, as you can see, for the oil prices, some of them are down over 50%. And now this is just pure panic, in my opinion. But it's basically fact that this is just pure panic. Oil just doesn't go down 50% to 20 to 50% overnight. It's panic. It's people that are just selling and just panicking with everything that's been going on. It's just that's what it is. And if we go to the Dow. If we go to the 5-year chart, just so we can see the last time we've had a kind of a pullback, it's right now it's not even as down as when it was during the government shutdown whole thing that was going on. It was at 22,400. We haven't even reached that point. We should see it go down another 10% before it even reaches that. So we just gotta wait and see. In my opinion, I think if this continues, it can definitely lead to a kind of a bear market. I don't think I don't think it will get to the 2008 recession that we've had. If you just go, so if you just click on this, let's zoom in here. So at the peak, if you just go down, if you go all the way to the bottom, this is not the best way of doing it, but it's roughly a 7,000 point decline, 50%. But so if we go to the 1-year chart, or even the 6-month chart, we've already had a 4,000 point decline. So if it doubles, we'll have the same type of pullback as the 2008 kind of financial crisis. But you want to look at it relative to how it is now. So it was 50%. We've only reached 14%. So it has to get down to 15,000 for it to be full on financial crisis, about 15 to 20,000. Which is still pretty far away. I know this is kind of a little wrong, but yeah, if you go all the way here, it's down. It went down 2,500 in just the last 5 days. So in my opinion, I don't think it's gonna get that bad, just because I think the panic is already factored in right now. But if this Rona situation just continues and just gets worse, and it's going to affect a lot of people. Also, less people and less companies are using oil right now, just because of less flights are being run, more flights are being canceled, less people are taking just cars and road trips. So just in general, oil is getting used less and less. So that will drive the demand kind of down as well for oil and stuff like that. But I don't think that it's going to get that bad, but this is definitely it has the potential, but I don't think it's gonna get as bad as the 2008 situation where it went down over 40%. Right now, it's, as you can see, it's basically from the top, from where we were. Let me refresh this. It says chart not available. I was expecting it to recover at least a little bit, which it did today, but it went down another 3% after it recovered, so it's back to where it started. So yeah, if you look at just 1 hour, okay, yeah, it's not loading for some reason. But anyway, it's down about 20% since the height, it's just definitely a lot. Just today it went down 7%. So this is definitely what the stock market kind of needed. I'm gonna make a video soon talking about how you guys can make a decent amount of money, or at least kind of recover a lot quicker with this dip. So if you guys stay tuned on this channel, I'm gonna be posting that soon, maybe tomorrow, if not the next day, on how to make good amount of money on dips like this. So like, I'm personally buying heavy right now. I initially went a little too heavy. I think I should have waited, and I'm gonna wait a little more and hopefully slowly dollar cost average my way in and just buy a little more. I may load up on some stocks that I've been meaning to buy. Like, I was thinking of getting some more Tesla shares, but still I think it's a little too much for me from what I already bought it initially. So I'm just gonna have to wait and see. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Hopefully you did enjoy. Once again, if you want to subscribe to this channel, I'm trying to hit 1,000 subscribers by the end of this year. So if you guys can do that, that'll be really appreciated. So I'll see you on the next video.